The purpose of the internship with M-SParc is to spread knowledge about science and encourage especially young people in Wales to get into industry.
The internship, it began as where before any kind of construction on the land over here, you obviously need to do an archaeological survey of the land just to know the archaeological potential of the site, so that in case any construction happens and any archaeological feature comes up, there is no delay and we have a prior information of what might lie underneath.
So my internship is with the project and operations management side of the M-SParc under the Wilmot Dixon Construction Company. This involves me shadowing the construction manager during my time here.
The internship with the M-SParc was for promotional purposes, media, that sort of area, where a co-worker and I would travel to various locations in Bangor and Anglesey to create promotional videos to showcase the days they hold for bettering the community.
I would go to the site at Gairwan and we were digging up potential archaeological features. That included, we had a couple of linear ditches which we weren't sure what period it was from. And it's quite interesting because every time I am given a feature to dig out, we have to stand. It's not just digging and finding out something. We have to think, stand and understand, okay, what it could be. It could be a Roman drain or it could be a Victorian gully, what it means. So it was quite interesting.
We learned a lot about science, how you can enjoy it not only by reading books, but for example by making poetry, going to several events about it. And that science is not only about chemistry and biology, that it involves different parts.
During my time here, I learned how teams can work together, even teams from different companies, and how they can solve any problems that they might face on a construction site. I also learned how to work efficiently within the office environment and as well on site.
I've thoroughly enjoyed the internship. Yeah, it's been a great learning experience, gone to a load of new places, met some very interesting people, and seeing the change that the M-SParc has brought to its community in Anglesey has been a great change.